LaunchLab has partnered with Future Females and FEMTECH, an initiative driven by economic development and tourism to boost female and youth participation and their contribution to economic growth in the Western Cape.
At the Nedbank Stellenbosch University LaunchLab, we work with dozens of entrepreneurs every day and help them create the future by facilitating valuable connections with strategic partners, with funders and customers and the likes. And we're very excited to expand the diversity of our community by doing this project with Future Females in FinTech.
We run a program for women entrepreneurs who wish to grow their businesses substantially. We have two programs. The Spark program, a short 2-day program, and also Reach, which is a longer program. Spark is a 2-day workshop program that is particularly for women who have a feasible idea. It must be innovative and it must be tech or tech-enabled, which means it must use technology somewhere in the business.
The participants from the Spark program will filter straight into our Build program. And in Build, we help entrepreneurs validate their product or service by helping them get into their customers' mindsets and worlds to understand what the market actually needs so that they can match what they're offering with what's required.
So the Reach program targets women who already have a business, but they want to grow it and they've kind of hit a ceiling. So via a series of 4 workshops, which will run from March to May in 2020, you will get a chance to reflect on your business, identify those areas that need to be strengthened, and then together in discussion groups with fellow entrepreneurs, actually start addressing some of those challenging areas.
After Spark, Build, and Reach have finished up, the last program is Countdown. And there we take the entrepreneurs through a process where they understand legal and finance and all of the other blocks around organizing a business with governance and controls and documents so they can put together a due diligence data room so that if they need to raise funding or if they need to go talk to a large enterprise customer, they have all of the things in place that makes those conversations a lot more efficient.
Future Females exists to increase the number of female entrepreneurs globally and support them through their success. I can't wait to engage with the female entrepreneurs that are selected into this program and welcoming new people into our network.